Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor and teaching assistant recruitment notification from one of the state university. So here the opportunities are there for only postgraduates as well as the PG plus UGC candidates also. So here the 40,000 rupees per month up to you will get. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. And if I got the matching recruitment notification with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next videos as an immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the state university recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So from the Kannur University, here I am going to show you the two different notifications, guys. Okay, the two different notifications got from this university. So first we will see one notification. Applications are invited for the appointment of a teaching assistant to be engaged on the contract basis for a period of not exceeding the 1 year, or else till the vacancies filled up the otherwise whichever is earlier at the Department of Information Technology. So educational qualification only post graduation is required, MCA or else MSc in the computer science. And the mode of appointment is the contract basis, and the number of vacancies is 1. Reservation term is scheduled caste, and the remuneration is 18,000 rupees per month will be available, and age limitation is not more than 36 years. Whoever the interested candidates are there having the required enough qualification, they may send their application. Format is attached with this PDF itself with testimonials and the phone number to the registered Kannur University on or before 12th Jan 2022 by direct or else through the email at register@kannuruniv.ac.in. Okay, so it is a notification regarding the teaching assistant. Only one vacancy is there. And while coming to the assistant professor notification, so it is this one, guys. So here the more number of subjects are there, and this notification got on 4th Jan 2022. So online applications are invited from eligible candidates for the appointment of assistant professor on tenure basis for a period of 2 years at the university departments or the centers. And you may check down the departments here: anthropology, behavioral science, biotechnology and microbiology, and botany, chemistry, economics, education. Okay, and while coming to the education, the subjects are Arabic, commerce, English, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, mathematics, natural science, physical science, Sanskrit, social science. And the environmental studies, geography, Hindi, history, information technology, journalism and mass studies, law, and library and information science, Malayalam, management studies, mathematics, molecular biology, music, physics, and rural and tribal sociology, statistical science, wood science and technology, zoology. So total these are the different subjects as well as the departments are there, guys. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having these who belongs to those subjects. And apart from these subjects, here the few non-teaching vacancies or the administrative positions are also there. So that one also you may check down here. So the course director for the different campuses, okay, Dharmasala and Kasargod, okay, and Manathwadi. So here the different campuses, the course directors are required as well as the assistant directors are also required. And while coming to the qualifications, educational qualifications are there. For the assistant professor category, as per the UGC regulations 2018, that means the candidate must have the post graduation with 55% in the particular discipline. Along with the PG, the candidate also must have the UGC NET or CSIR NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. And for the assistant professor category, the consolidated remuneration is 35,000 rupees per month will be available. And coming to the assistant director or the course director on 2 years basis, 36,000 per month will be available. And the candidates who are having the experience not less than 20 years in the government or the aided colleges or the universities, they will get the 40,000 rupees per month for the positions of assistant director or the course director. Okay, and coming to the age limitation is maximum age will be 65 years as on 1/1/2022, and few general instructions are also given here. So you may please check down, guys. Okay, so application fee is 1500 rupees. Okay, and for SC and ST 750 rupees. The online registration starting date is 4th Jan 2022, that means already started, and while coming to the closing date is 10th Jan 2022, that means only 6 days time is given for the online application process. So I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation, and the time is also very less. Okay, so please hurry up for applying these positions, guys. And it is the official website of this Kannur University. Okay, so here in the careers blog you may check down. The applications are invited for the assistant professor at the School of Behavioral Sciences is also there, and the teaching assistant on contract basis for the computer science, and coming to the assistant professor on tenure basis for a period of 2 years. That means whatever the notification I shown you right now, so it is this one. And if you guys are interested in this one, then just click on this apply now, and then you will be directed to the job registration form here, guys. Okay, so if you are the new candidate, I mean first time registration, then fill up all these details and then click on the register. Okay, and then you will be provided with your email ID as well as the password will be there. So based upon your email ID and the password, whatever you are filling here, you can log in and then proceed of filling up of the further application process by that, so that you can complete your online application procedure. Okay, so remember guys, the last date is the 10th Jan 2022. Fine. So thank you very much, and if your requirement, if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else the paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current course are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want